set button and it'll say set program, so then you press yes. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yes. So 6:20 on, you press plus or minus, yeah, and then when you're happy you press yes. That's the off time, so you press plus or minus. Once you're happy you press, you press set. 4 o'clock on. So let's just start again with that. So press set. Not actually set to come on in the morning. Okay, we might have to yes, yes. 6:22 a.m. So change that to 6:30 a.m. Press set. Now it's going off at 8 o'clock. Press set. Now it's coming on at 4 p.m. Press set. Going off at 6 p.m. Press set. At either time through that you can adjust it to wherever you suit. Okay. And then you press set again. It'll say set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Need to do Saturday, Sunday, so you put yes. 7:30 on. Happy with that? Press set. 9 o'clock off. Press set. 4 o'clock on. 6:15 off. 8 o'clock on. 10:15 off. So that's your program that's set. Sundays obviously on, Saturdays and Sundays are on longer than the
different
weekdays.
timing for some.
And then when you're finished, you just go back to there. And then to operate, move it to timed.
To operate.
That will run the time clock. Once means it comes on the first on time, goes off on the last off time, and on is on 24/7.
So once again, once, what once means?
Once means comes on the first on time, goes off on the last off time. So once is on all day.
All day.